Walking can uncover dimensions of introspection and self-reflection. For example, mindful walking, walking meditation, labyrinth walking, and the universal human habit of walking for relaxation and contemplation. In our work, we explore if heat can enrich the walking experience and encourage users to focus inwardly. Prior work has already showed that thermal stimuli is perceived as coming from inside the body rather than outside, and the potential heat has as a design material. Inspired by the Somaesthetic appreciation design approach, we designed a walking carpet with integrated heating elements to encourage exploration of the heat sensation using the feet, aiming to promote introspection while walking. The walking carpet, spanning 3 meters long, has 10 heater pads spread in a step-by-step pattern. Our design process was iterative and went through several prototypes. The final prototype is constructed from a foam board base which incorporates polyamide heater pads. It is then covered with linen and cotton blend fabric with embroidered pattern of spirals, serving as a visual signifiers for the heat areas. In an exploratory qualitative study, 10 participants walked on the carpet without shoes, only with socks, for 4 minutes each, and then shared their subjective experience in post-study interview. The thematic analysis of the interview revealed 4 main themes. First, exploration of the physical body. Users reported how they investigated the heat sensation using different parts of the feet, stepping on the heated areas and on the non-heated areas, promoting sense of control and exploration. The second theme is feeling evoked by the warm sensation on the feet. Users describe pleasant and unpleasant emotion associations instead of relaxations and calmness. For example, one participant said, "The main thing is it's very relaxing. It goes really through your whole body. It has very strong calming effect." The third theme is contemplation evoked by the warm sensation. Participants reflected on cultural and habitual aspects of walking and being barefoot. The fourth theme is impact on attention. We saw that the experience promoted a focus on the present moment rather than on the distracting thoughts without any prior training or practice in mindfulness or walking meditation. Our work suggests that coupling the ancient wisdom of walking with heat technology offers a unique interactive experience. This approach empowers users in their exploration, fostering deep introspection across physical, mental, and cultural dimensions.